Want to write an essay fast? In this video, I will talk through 3 steps that will allow you to produce a high-quality essay in no time. If this is the first time you're watching one of my explainers, I'm Dr. D, a global health practitioner and academic. So what is an essay? In simple terms, it's a presentation of ideas, your own and referenced, that proves that you understand a subject. The first and most important step in producing an essay fast is preparation and planning. Make sure you understand the question or topic. Then it's time to create your thesis. A thesis is a statement that highlights the main point of your essay or makes your position clear. Once this is established, you can map out a plan. Each body paragraph should have a clear point supporting your thesis. But note, the paragraph should be balanced. This means you may include ideas that disagree with your thesis and then argue against them. Have a clear idea of what you will conclude, although new insights may develop as you write. This leads on to the second step of developing an essay fast: writing. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please hit the like button. The first part of the writing stage is the introduction. In the introduction, you want to show that you understand the question or topic by rephrasing the question, defining key terms in a subtle manner, and providing some sort of context in your first few sentences. Here is an example. Critically evaluate the geographical approaches to the cultural formation of landscapes. The approaches within cultural geography that shape the discussion around the cultural formation of landscapes has evolved from the early 20th century. Scholars have expanded their focus. In the early 20th century, cultural geographers such as Carl Osawa were focused on studying the range of human activities and its role in transforming natural landscape to cultural landscapes, with primary focus on material culture. In this example, the first sentence rephrases the question. The next sentence goes on to provide context while explaining or defining key approaches. The next step is to give an outline of where you intend to go with this essay. What supporting ideas will you present? Signpost using words like then, next, firstly, and lastly. This will lead nicely into your first body paragraph. Your plan will tell you what this paragraph is about. Start with a topic sentence, where you transition from the last paragraph and introduce the points to be made in this paragraph. Ensure that the point is then supported by evidence. Evidence can include quotations, statistics, and real-life examples. Once you have presented these, interpret the evidence. Ask yourself how this point in evidence supports your argument and relates back to the question or topic of the essay. Repeat these steps for each body paragraph. The last stage of writing is the conclusion. In the conclusion, you want to summarize your main points without repeating your whole essay. Then, point out some new insights that developed from your writing. Finally, emphasize why your argument and these insights matter. The third and final step of producing an essay fast is reviewing. In this step, you want to read your essay and perhaps get someone else to read the essay. Whilst reading, you want to make sure that, firstly, your argument is clear and coherent. Make sure you have topic sentences and mini concluding sentences in each paragraph that relates back to the question. Secondly, check for grammar and punctuation. These also improve the clarity of your essay. Thirdly, reference. Any ideas or evidence that is not your own must be credited. A simple way to do this is by using Microsoft Word References tool. This will automatically generate citations and a bibliography. That's it. You can now write your essay. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video.